So let's bring back our legal guys right now to weigh in on the stop and frisk policy. Avery Friedman in Cleveland and Richard Herman in Las Vegas. Okay, so gentlemen, so right now the stop and frisk policy is still legal to use in New York, even though a federal judge ruled it unconstitutional. Just a reminder to people, an appeals panel said they had a problem with the judge right now, not the law. So Richard, this is your backyard, lots of criticism of the policy. How does the judge's removal of from this case help bolster perhaps the use of the law?
Well, it's astounding that they removed the judge from the case. That's for starters, Fred. A lot of issues here. If the Democrat wins for mayor, the appeal will go down the tubes. They will dismiss the appeal, and her ruling will stand. In any event, Fred, 685,000 stop and frisks in 2011, basically 10% of those leading to arrests and convictions. Fred,
10%.
About 95% are done against black and Hispanics in New York. Now, despite the lowest ratings in New York for crime, murders and crime during that year, stop and frisk was viable. It's approved by the Supreme Court. And here, there are many issues, and Avery mentioned the one big one. The court said the judge basically directed certain attorneys to file the case so it would come before her, because she's been outspoken on this issue and felt that the law was disproportionately applied to blacks and Hispanics, made her ruling. I don't know how it's going to pan out. I think the election's going to determine it. It was a brave ruling from her, and I have to tell you, Fred, she is a wonderful, very, very bright judge. I've been before her many times, so it's just astounding that they would make this type of finding.